Hello friends, welcome to my channel Income Guider. How to make money from your Facebook page. Check the several money making options given below and you can go for any of them based on your convenience and expertise. 5 best ways you can earn by using Facebook page are here. Number 1. Earn by selling likes on Facebook. There is a crazy race to get the most likes on any Facebook fan page. People are so desperate to see many likes that they do not hesitate to pay thousands of dollars. But for this you should have experience of generating likes on Facebook. There are many free or paid online tools available for the same. Number 2. Post sponsor post. If you have a good amount of likes and large number of Facebook, then you have a chance to win by posting advertisements from the other companies or people on your fan page. Suppose you have a fan page on WordPress tutorials and you have millions of followers. Businesses, agencies selling WordPress development services may ask you to post their business and advertisements on their page and in return request a good amount from you. Number 3. Post content with affiliate marketing links. There are many sites that offer affiliate marketing programs to sell their products on commission, such as Amazon, Flipkart, vCommission, and MakeMyTrip. In this way, affiliate marketing and social media marketing go hand in hand. Just sign up for any of these affiliate marketing programs, post links to products, services on your fan page, and earn commission for every sale. Number 4. Sell your fan page. Sound weird? Trust me, it's not. In fact, some people create a fan page to get likes, followers, and later post it for the purpose of selling it. When the page has a significant amount of likes and followers, there are many platforms online where people auction Facebook fan pages. These people create multiple fan pages simultaneously and invest time and effort to create value and authenticity over a period of time. Number 5. Earn by Facebook page monetization. What does it mean to monetize? What is the point of monetizing something before moving into something else? In the simplest term, monetization means earning income. Let's put it this way. Our page is monetized, which means that we have money in one way or another. Monetize Facebook videos with in-stream ads. Do you know about ads that appear on Facebook before or after the video you are watching? They can be annoying for those who get upset in the middle of watching a super interesting video, but they are super beneficial for brands whose videos are playing.